Vlogging the vlog.
I just got a slow-mo of you guys. Hold on.
All right,
It's probably not great because I'm not a great cameraman. Oh, looks.
Look at that.
Break it down, phone, gadget, apps. It's the techie guy.
Hey, welcome to another episode of Talking Tech with the Techie Guy. My name's Liron Segev, where I make tech simple. If you're into phones, gadget, apps, tips and tricks and how to, hit that subscribe button and let's get on to today's show. So by now you probably have seen every Samsung S20 video that there is out there, but I'm going to test mine today at the Mavs game in Dallas with Samsung. Gotta check out what this phone can do, what the camera can do. Let's do this. How epic is this? We were given courtside seats on the pre-game workout, and we can take the camera and then shoot a whole bunch of videos and photos to see what it looks like. Remember, these are first impressions only. This isn't a deep dive into what the camera can do. This is just using it on the night. I dig this mode where you can swipe down and it will do a rapid burst of photos, so then you can get all these individual photos, and this is what it looks like when you splice them all together. Another cool feature is something called single take. Now, I wasn't so sure about this. Essentially what this does, as long as you press the button down, it takes all the cameras, take all the photos, all the videos all at once, and creates one massive album, and then giving you a whole bunch of options to choose from, such as this. And then this, some of this, a little bit of that. And then what I really like is the fact that it still records the video of the moment that you were in, and then it does these effects. Now remember, all of this was done automatically. Just by doing the single take, it gives me options. It has a whole bunch of slow motion options, from super slow-mo just to regular slow-mo, and I really always like those effects. Of course, you need to have a front-facing selfie camera. That's an absolute must. Let's head up to the suite. Right, so we're making our way up to the suite. We're going to go play more with the Samsung S20 Plus. It's going to be quite an epic day. So whilst we're walking, it's probably a good time to tell you that it does feel like a very premium device in your hand. Nice and solid, doesn't feel slippery, and feels like you're holding something of value, which is an absolute must. Now, this is shot on the S20 Plus. Just wanted to test the stabilization, and look how smooth that is. Handheld, no gimbal, just simply stuck it into video mode on auto, and I think the results are pretty darn impressive. So as we're heading up to the suite, way up at the top, I bumped into my friend, Preston.
I think so. I'm vlogging the camera.
Vlogging the vlog.
I just got a slow-mo of you guys. Hold on.
All right,
it's probably not great because I'm not a great cameraman. Oh, looks.
Look at that.
Of a
Hold on.
vlog.
Get it. Focus.
Yeah, got it. It's got it.
Hey! That
All right,
screen
nice.
looks so cool. This
All right,
thing weighs
Preston,
nothing.
Initial thoughts. What do you guys think?
All right, initial thoughts. It's light, which is awesome, and I feel like the photos are great.
Not to mention the color on the back.
Yeah, the color scheme is phenomenal,
Yeah.
and the 120 hertz refresh rate, right? Like,
Is this the one with the 100 times zoom too?
Oh yeah. Wait, hold on.
All right, go zoom all the way down to.
Can you really zoom all the way down there?
All the way down there. Oh yeah.
Go
No,
for it.
wait. I'm gonna zoom.
shoulder.
I'm gonna zoom. Big zoom's coming in, guys. Big zoom's only. All right, gotta get out of the slow mode. Oh, wrong way. No.
Cool pictures.
No. All right, let me get out of slow mo. No. How do you get out of slow mo? Ready?
All right, let's go zoom.
All right, we're going all the way from 0.5x to 30x. Nice and slow. Oh my gosh! We're not even there yet. That's crazy. That is 30x.
Okay, so let's just see how far that is from here. So that's all the way down there.
That is insane. Well, let's see if I can take a good photo. Okay, dude, that photo came out way too well for a 30x. Look at this. That's insane.
And there we go. So Preston's clearly impressed with the zoom capability and the photo ability of this. So let's play a game. My game is called Where's Mark Cuban? I know he attends his game, so a little bit of Where's Waldo in this situation. I'm using the zoom all the way in to try find him. I know he normally sits around about that same position. So pinch and zoom, you can either go with those little buttons on the side to zoom all the way in, or you can stick with your pinch and zoom action. And there he is. There is my boy Mark Cuban right there. What is very cool is this little pointer at the top left hand side, giving you a perspective of where the person is or what you're zooming into right from the top. So here is the picture I snapped in from where I was sitting. And here is the picture of basically showing that Mark was located down there. And then here is the picture of zoomed in. By the way, this is only 20 times, not the full 30 times zoom. And I tweeted it out, and in fact, Mark actually was awesome enough to reply. How epic is that? And next up, a lucky fan from the crowd was able to win himself a brand new Samsung S20 phone along with audience participation. This is shot on the S20 Plus, so you can see how clear it is, nice and zoomed in. Really awesome stuff. Epic day spent with Samsung testing out the phone. Of course, we'll go more in depth into the camera, the tips and tricks, the how-tos. Big shout out and thank you to Preston, to Joshua, to Landon. All those channels will be in the link below. Let me know if you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to the channel. Check out some of his other cool videos on the right hand side, and I'll see you in those videos. Let's go!